Hello everybody, and welcome to the second video exploring the colour palette of claret. Today we're going to create a grouped funeral design in the shape of a cushion. Now this tribute is absolutely perfect for the loved one that sadly passed away. The claret colour inspires depth, strength and love. The texture design achieves a very natural appearance while still maintaining the tones and shades of the claret colour palette. Right, so my ingredients today are, starting with my fresh products, I have some beautiful hellebores. This particular one is called Queens Red. Then I have some Leucadendron Safari Sunset. So got a lovely combination here of the green tone and the claret colouring, which can actually be really good working in with some of the foliage that I'm using as well as the claret colouring. It's kind of like joins the two colour wheels together. Then we have some Skimmia Japonica. Again, this is the claret flower and the green foliage. The Skimmia Japonica, that's a shrub, really long lasting, works perfectly in this kind of natural styled design. And then we have this beautiful carnation. This is such a rich, deep claret colour. This variety is Zurringo. Then we have some Cali Lilies, or Xanthidisha, as you might know them. So this one's called Red Charm, and it's actually got a little bit of a depth of colour from a paler tone at the base of the petal right to that deeper tone at the very end. So that kind of encompasses the whole colour palette there. And then finally, from our foliage point of view, we have Buxus. And still fresh, we have natural English reindeer moss. Now this is actually harvested under license, and it is very springy. So when it's fresh, it is really nice to work with. So I'm going to pin that in. So that's all my fresh products. And then my sundry items are my foam frame, and this is a 15-inch cushion frame. It is a foam backed rather than plastic. I'm also going to be using some mossing pins, and I have a 70mm wide Hessian ribbon here, which I'm actually going to pleat and place around the outside of the cushion frame. Then for my florist box, I have my usual scissors, and I have some 70 by 300mm green stub wires. Oh, and last but by no means least, my stapler. Really important for pinning the ribbon together. Okay, so enjoy. Thank you for watching our funeral tribute inspired by the colour palette of claret. As always, I have 3 top tips for you. So top tip number 1, this tribute could actually be made in all sorts of other shapes. So you could repeat it with a heart shape, a pillow shape, it would even work with a wreath. So yeah, the options are endless. Top tip number 2, don't over soak the wet foam frame because it becomes really heavy and brittle. If you are concerned there's not enough water in it when you're finished, you can always add later. And top tip number 3, group each plant that you're using individually or flower, just so that it displays that particular item off to its advantage. All right. It also helps to give that designed grouped effect. All right. Thank you for watching. Next up, we're going to be incorporating the claret colour palette into a home decor design, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like us, share us with your friends and your flower clubs, and also visit our YouTube channel for lots more tips, hints and inspirational ideas on arrangements that you can create for yourself. Alright, look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Bye for now.